All right, today I have Dude Wipes. These are wipes on the go. It doesn't necessarily they're made for men or women, but just dudes. Okay, whatever you choose to be. If you're a dude, I guess this is for dude. If you're a dude, all right. So it says mint chill. It says with mint, eucalyptus, and tea tree essential oils in here for using it. It says one flushable wipe made with plant source fibers. All right, and see here. So we're going to open this up and see what it is. I think there's an expiration date on the side. Make sure you read the expiration date because you don't want expired Dude Wipes. I don't know why you would want expired Dude Wipes, but you don't want expired Dude Wipes. All right. So the directions: tear, unfold, and wipe Dude. So I'm supposed to tear this open, wipe, Dude. It says, dude, we love hearing stories about how your wipes saved your butt. Tag @Dude Wipes and let them rip. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Pull out the Dude Wipes. All right, here is the Dude Wipe. Smells quite fresh, smells like mint and eucalyptus and tea tree oil. All right, so here is the Dude Wipe right here. Fairly strong, but then fairly weak as well. I guess they make it that way so you can actually flush it down the toilet. Smells fresh. I'm going to use this on the skin. See how it leaves my skin after using this Dude Wipe. Smells fresh. I feel like a dude now. I guess these would be good for on the go. Just throw in the bag just in case I have to do dude things and want to get fresh. Here are the Dude Wipes. Smell really good. I like it. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.